Hey guys, so all these speculations and rumors are right on point. OnePlus is finally launching the OnePlus Z aka OnePlus Nord next month. So OnePlus says we are announcing more affordable smartphone product line. That means this is not just one smartphone, you are getting different products and devices really soon in this sub lineup. So this new product team is led by Paul Yu, who was handling the hardware department from 5 years. Now some big news for you all in terms of the markets. It is coming to India and Europe as of now, and the official says we are planning to bring more affordable phones to North America in near future as well. This means it's not coming to the USA. They say stay assured we are gonna launch different smartphones, affordable ones in the US as well. OnePlus also made a brand new Instagram account with username OnePlus Z Things. Exciting part is they always tease things and names before the launch, and they are doing that right now. This is the box packaging you are gonna see as per the official leaks. So I made the full box and it looks really cool. You can see the cut Nord branding, and this box is in blue color which looks not so red. It's for new generation and OnePlus says you're gonna love it for sure. Some information on the color options you may get. They're using teal accent colors, so yeah, this might be it. The bluish one, teal, which is also there in the Galaxy A51. In terms of the specifications and design, we know this is gonna look like the Galaxy S20 with 4 cameras on back and a center punch hole on front with flat display. It's gonna rock 7655G CPU, which is a mid-range silicon. Scores are less than 865 and 855 plus, but quite similar to the 855 CPU, so it's not that bad. It's also coming with 6/8/12 gigs of RAM, which is like really nice for multitasking, and there's no IP68 certification or wireless charging, but you are getting 30 watts of fast wired charging, which is impressive. So these are some really decent specifications. That's all guys. The pricing is set to be 25,000 INR, which is like really aggressive for a phone with no ads. And what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.